Hey peeps, welcome to NasTime, welcome to the Melbourne 4x4 show again. Doing a bit of run through, checking out some innovative products. I run into Peter here from Tigear, and look, we've all had problems with guy ropes in the past. They're an absolute mess, big tangle, and if you want to enjoy your camping, you don't want to be mucking around all day with your guy ropes. So Peter here's come up with a bit of innovative solution. Let's check it out.
Hey guys, how you going? I'll run you through how these work. So all of our ropes are stored nice and neat in this little pouch, so they can't get tangled together, and they're always ready to go for next time. To use the rope, we've got a one-way locking mechanism here. All you do is you pull the pin down to release your rope. When you let go, it auto locks back in, and to tighten up, you just pull the rope back the way that it went through, and to wrap them up, just wrap it around your hand and throw it in the bag. Now we've got a couple of other accessories that can go with our ropes. We've got our small springs here, which you can wrap around different, there you go, different things. So you can wrap that around there, or you can peg them down into the ground, and that just gives you a little bit of wind absorption so you don't pull your pegs out of the ground. We've got two different sizes. These ones are suited to all your car awnings and tents and things like that. And the big one there that Naz is holding is for caravans and camper trailers.
And how good are they? Because we've all seen those big ass springs that hang around, and they tend to just tangle up in everything, and these are absolutely fantastic. We've all had so many troubles with guy ropes, and I'm one of those people that likes to leave them hang on, so he's come up with a brilliant solution, and just really makes things tidy. If you're like me, a bit of OCD, I like things to be well organised and tidy. Last thing I want to be doing is spending my weekend untangling ropes. This is an absolute great solution, so well done, Pete.
Thank you.
Thanks, mate. There you go. Enjoy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.